Hi everyone, this is Kazuki. Today I'm going to show you how to use YouTube summary with ChatGPT extension. So once you install the extension, and you will see this like the new section here on YouTube videos. And if you click it, you can see all the transcript of the video. And if you click here like a view AI summary, it will open the ChatGPT. Then it's already like the transcript and prompt is already copied. So you hit the command B and enter. Then the GPT reply like summarize the videos, and like it uses the title and the video transcript like this. And yep, as you see, the ChatGPT like return to the summarization of the video. It's pretty good. And if you want to ask anything, like you can do, and let's say continue, then the ChatGPT like gives continue the answer and the summarization, or sometimes share the details of the video or what the speaker is talking about or speaking in the video. So like this. Okay, let's switch back to here. And let's say you were like, okay, let me make it smaller. Let's say you were watching a video, then you want to see where you are at. So in that case, you can click the jump to current time so that it takes you to the current time frame. So whenever you are like scrolling different place, but once you click it, you will come back to the where the video is playing. And also you can copy transcripts by clicking. And if you use Notion or any like note-taking app, and if you hit Command V, you can copy title and also all the transcript with timestamp so that you can easily come back to, like you can copy and paste transcript too. And it supports any languages, that the YouTube video has, Italian, Japanese, or Portuguese, any, like Spanish. And yep, this is how to use YouTube summary with ChatGPT, and hope you enjoy. And please let me know if you have any question or comment, and thank you for watching. Bye.